This is the Autowit device. And the difference between this car battery booster is that this doesn't have a built-in battery, it has capacitors. And it gets its charge from the dead battery. If the dead battery is too dead, you could actually plug it into another battery that's working and fully charged. It'll come up on the screen, I'll show you later. Or use the 12-volt plug for the car here, or a micro USB to USB-A charging, or micro USB to USB-C, whatever you can find. Then after it gets fully charged, when you go to give the car a boost, you press this red button. There's a countdown. Once it gets to 0, it'll tell you to start the car, and the car will start up. So let me show you how it works. So now I'm doing a video real quick just to test the Autowit, and my friend said I should do a video on it. And you know, I purchased this and I've used it. This is my 3rd time using it, and it's come in handy to help people. And right now I just plugged it into the battery, and the battery has some power. And Autowit is, as you can see, it's absorbing the battery. It's creating a, when it gets to 100%, it creates sort of like a boost so that you could use it to turn the car on. And it's at 73 right now. And we'll see if it works. This is the 3rd time using it, so I know that it's worked 2 prior times very well, especially in really cold weather. So let's, it's cold right now. It's January of 2026 in New York City. And a friend of mine called me, the battery's dead, and I came to see if this would work. Okay, so one moment, I'll wait for this to hit. So once it hits 100, I'll have to press that button right there, that red button, for it to be ready. Once it's ready, I'll have my friend turn the key to turn the car on. We got another 10. 96. 100%. So now I'm gonna press that button, and then I'm gonna tell you to turn the key. So countdown. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, now. Turn the key. It turned on. 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Awesome. So we're just going to test to make sure that it comes back on. We left it running for like 5 minutes before I leave. Go ahead. Try it again. Perfect. Excellent. Awesome. Worked.